Hola y bienvenidos a Madro Cuatro. This week we're going to be talking about numbers, time, and date. So make sure you check the announcement that has a little bit more information about when to use son las, when to use a las for the times. We've got a bunch of things under the readings and videos. Under the listenings, you'll hear people reading their phone numbers. That's really similar to what's on the quiz. So if you want to check your answers, you can email me, see if you got those right. Because again, that's going to be pretty much the same format as what's on the quiz. Um, Also, here we have something that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project 1. So, next week in module 5, we have the first pronunciation project where you'll be reading a text for and aiming for clear pronunciation. So, here are some videos that go over like the vowel and consonant sounds. Again, that pronunciation project is next week, but if you want to start reviewing that stuff now so that you feel good about the project next week. This week we have the homework packet, like always, the speaking assignment. The speaking assignment has 2 parts. You can record it all in one file. Just make sure you do the top part where you're answering questions, and then the second part where you're talking to the patient. And then the quiz, which again is going to have that listening that's similar to what's on the listening up there. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.